I got 2 buckets, half, and I'll carry up for do the test. I try to concentrate that gold. I want to see how I can work, make it concentrate. And then we make a tool, which one we can come to the river and concentrate. All the way up. I need to go. Just finished classifying material. All these 2 buckets what I brought it. There be, let's say, almost that much of classified sand. Is now all this taking water away, and I'll be sending this material in my shaking table, not my shaking table, the shaking table, and we'll see how much gold we can get it from that much amount of material. It's not like little bit more than half a bucket. Okay, let's go. Spoon by spoon. Sand going straight. Heavy material goes in those groups and stays there. Okay. I can see right away it's a black sand coming. That's a little bit work. You see that some kind of heavy material is going here. So gold goes like here too and goes in that hole where it's collected. Okay, so let me work, and when I finish I'll show you results. Okay. Okay, let me work everything the same till I finish that bucket. Already working like half hour. It's still a lot of material. Okay, but what to do? I need to finish and see how much I can get. This big half of bucket of sand, how much gold I get it. To see what is this on the end of everything. Looks like some kind of gold maybe. Everywhere over here. Where is that? Oh, here. Yellow. Heavy material. Can be gold. You see, and every end. I need to look in microscope. Okay, let's continue. Left not so much. They still have. So let me finish. My bucket is empty. This is last material. And I be looking what I get. So right now, let me clean this way. Okay, let him work for another few minutes and I take out everything out. This is the black stuff. From all the bucket, I get that much material. Very not, not a lot. Okay. From almost bucket of sand, I got that much. Let me transfer somehow. Don't want to come out. Still have. I don't want to come out. Okay. All the material is here. That much. It's good concentration. Let's see what we got here. Need to remove black sand first. And then transfer beaker. And then we'll be boiling in acid. And then aqua regia. Removing black sand from here. And not so much, but it's very small, that black sand. So let me remove all the black sand out. We'll see what we get. This much I got it after removing black sand. Okay, now let's see, can we see the gold in here? Now I can see a little bit piece right away in that corner. I don't think so I can show you, too small. Let me transfer everything to the beaker. I decided to pan it a little bit to show you how the gold looks, microscopic gold. You see that brown spot over here? It's our microscopic gold over here. It's not a gold color, it's a... What is this camera doing? See the gold? It's a brown color. You see this one? All this one bunch is a microscopic gold. It's already different color. Let me put the camera close as possible. That way, gold looks, microscopic gold looks. See? Thousands of pieces. And I just pan it a little bit. So right now I be transferring to the beaker. You see that you can recognize that line, okay, over here where the is concentrated, but here is still a lot, but I didn't have a time to play it. It's very hard to pan it, this kind of gold, but you see it's panable, and this shaking table managed to recover it. Okay, this is our gold. It's not the yellow, it's a brown, little bit with the yellow. Okay. Let's transfer everything to the beaker. Some hydrochloric acid to get rid of those useless metals. I have a little bit from yesterday experiment, so I add 2, let him work, and heating right now, put to the heat and boil for a few minutes. Solution getting hot and dissolving some kind of useless metals what we don't need it. We working just for gold. There may be palladium, maybe platinum, maybe another metals. But right now my main concern is gold. So to recover gold, I need to get rid of all those materials. I not throw this juice away. I'll be storing in another separate bottle. And one day maybe I decide to look for what kind of metals is inside, and we'll be recovering. But for right now, I'm just playing with the gold. Finish boiling. I'm transferring to some storage container where I'll be keeping this juice. Of course, I'll be still using for another metal, recover another metals. And now I go and wash it and transfer to round bottom beaker. We'll see what we have. So little material after half a bucket. Okay, let's go. Try to show you what is in the bottom. But my camera can do that. Gold is very small, but there is little bit, not a lot, but there is little bit. So right now I be putting potassium nitrate inside and hydrochloric acid, put on the boil. I'm boiling water right now here, and I put everything inside to work. Okay, so let me put some nitrate. So I added some potassium nitrate and hydrochloric acid over here. In the middle is our little microscopic gold. It's a lot, but it's hard to show you, but there is. So let them dissolve. Right now we'll be making aqua regia, and we'll see what we get. Solution reaction started. I can see already color getting yellow, and let him dissolve all the gold. Okay, and that time I go remove. I'll be removing some sand, and I try to sand one more time and see can I recover some more gold from that. You see, almost full bucket. Let me work with two hands. Solution getting darker. I see the sulfur, a lot of sulfides still in this solution. You see sulfur swimming on the surface. So I continue boiling, and I want to test little bit, test this material, what we have. Okay, that is enough. Let's put urea. Little. Okay, that much enough, and we can do the test, stannous chloride test, to see do we have anything in this material. Okay, stannous chloride is okay. So moment of truth. Okay, boom. Wow, see, there we have gold, and not even good amount of gold. Okay, you see, that is our gold. So let him put him back, let him work. And till this still reaction going. Okay, I go do some second time. I put it in the shaking table, that old material, and we'll see do I have recover more gold. Okay, let him work. This is the same material what I already panned, but I want to do it second time and see do I get more gold. Okay, let's pan it, and then we 100% sure how much gold we got it from. Not full bucket, it's like a little bit higher, more than half, but very little. Okay, so all the same, I'll be running the sand and we will see what we get. I'm putting second time. Black sand is very little, but it's still coming something. But mostly sand goes. So we'll see. Do we recover some more from this material? You see, earlier was going in that direction and now it just goes straight. It's very little black sand. All black sand was removed by the first time, so we'll see how much we get it. I finished second bucket, second time. The same sand, I sent it 2 times. So, but this time more sand goes than black sand in this area. So I don't see on this ends yellow like in the first time. Okay, there is very little, but not so much like the first time. So right now I'll be just cleaning and try to put in the pan and see how much material I get. Okay, time to turn it off. Okay. Here's something. Okay. Got a lot in black sand and regular sand. So right now I little pan it and then I take with magnet all this black sand and transfer everything to the beaker. Washing with hydrochloric acid all this material, and we'll see if we do aqua regia like in the first one, and we will see what we get. Okay, this is the first one. Still heating, let him work. And this is hydrochloric acid. Check, did this hydrochloric acid have some gold inside? Okay, I don't even put urea. Let's see how everything works. See? Nothing. So means in hydrochloric it's not taking any gold. It's empty. See, clear. I think we can do it without anything here. First one, which one? You see? Right away. Black. So that is have a gold. Okay? I don't even put urea, nothing. So that is having gold. Let him go back. Okay. So now here with the gold we can filtrate and put SMB and let him precipitate. Here we boil to dissolve all useless metals if there is in those rocks. Boiling is over, transferring material. It's very dark. It's a lot of iron or something, another metals, and this one I transfer to another round bottom beaker. Need to wash first, look in the gold, and transfer to another beaker and do the same thing. And here we need to put filtrate, a new urea, and we'll be done with that one. So let's work on this one right now. This is second turn. I put Aqua regia, potassium nitrate and hydrochloric acid over here. First one will be filtrating, okay, and we will see what we get. Okay, filtration started, so let him work. And here I put distilled water and wash when this finishes. So this is making heat. Let him work. Urea and filter then in one time. Okay, it's working, and this is getting hot and already changing colors. I'll see how much gold we in second time. Okay, let him work right now. Reaction started. It's bubbling, and I still see pyrites on the surface. Sulfur, and this is almost finishing. I put urea, so finishing, and we transfer it back to round beaker, and we'll be making SMB, and we will see what's happening. Okay, okie dokie, let him work. Transfer both solutions. This is the first one. It's a little bit darker than second one, and now I'm making SMB, and I try to precipitate the gold, and we'll see how everything works. Okay, so right now here hot water, 50 milliliters, adding some SMB in water. We can go straight, but I want to make them even and dissolve that SMB. Okay, now let's put the SMB in those solutions. I put urea already, so not supposed to be any problems. It's not a big amount of gold inside, so it takes a little bit time to precipitate the gold. So right now I fill it up, and then we just wait, and like in 1 hour, 2 hours, we will see results. This way you need to have a time, spend time, because when it's not a lot of gold, takes a little bit longer period to precipitate gold. Okay, I don't know why this red became red. Okay, so now we just need to wait. So first one already changed the color, gold precipitated, it already going on the bottom. I see the gold. Okay, the second one we need to little bit wait. It's just right now change it. Oh, it's already have a gold too. Okay, this is a gold so far, so we need to wait till everything finish and all gold falls down and this solution becomes clear. So you see difference? This is darker because this is the first run and this is second one. There's a lot less gold, but it's still something there. So let's see how everything works. After half hour, this is what the gold in the first batch still falling down, but this is that much. It's not so much, but there is. And this second one is something became black, have some kind of different metals in and don't know what to do. So there is some gold too, but it's called solution dark. So let him finish, and then I maybe do one more time the same. So this is what we can already smelt it, because this is very clean gold. Okay, and let him settle down. When the solution become clear, then all gold be done. So something happened with this one, I don't know. It's like, I don't know, a lot of stuff falling out, but that is strange. I don't know what is this. The mixed gold mixed with some kind of another metal. Interesting. I don't know. Filtrate it, and I'm dissolving everything one more time, and precipitate with the SMB. And this is what I got it. This is on the bottom, is a gold, and it's still not clear, but need to wait till morning maybe, and we'll see what we get it. Or this one I right now redoing and dissolving everything, filtrate, and we'll see what we get it one more time. I dissolve it that one more time. Everything is dissolved. Let's check, do we have a gold inside? Okay, because maybe no gold. And okay, we have gold. You see purple, so means everything okay. There's just some kind of stuff happen, didn't want to work right. So right now I one more time dissolving everything, filtrate everything, and start over. I'm filtrating. There I put urea a little bit and filtrating all this solution, and we'll see what we get. One more time. Okay, let's put SMB. Transfer to the small beaker. I put urea when I filtrate it in one time. So now I'm adding SMB, and tomorrow in the morning I will see how much gold I got it. Maybe not even smelt it. Okay, first one already finished everything. You see that all black spot is a gold. It's not black spot. They're still not clean. You see they're not clean. So till the morning everything falls down, and in few hours we will see how much gold is in this one too. Okay, so let him stay.